Hi Isabella. I love you so much. You got me into slavery. I know that I'm young, but this, if I can show you. I wanted to be my collar, but I might get a new one. You can get one at Petco, and you love your punishment. Love it so much. But I know I'm young. I just want to know where and how to be a slave. When I get older, I will be one. I hope so. And please reply by video, comment, or message. Bye, Isabella. Love you.